us go back to talk about the closings of the UAE with our guest, Bhavik Mehta, Deputy Head Research Investment Products at Century Financial. Welcome with us, Mr. Bhavik. Let us talk today about the movement, which is still flat today in the UAE indices. To what extent we're going to stay in this range, and especially when we look into the corporate earnings remaining for Q3.
Right. So first of all, thank you for having me on the show. Now, if you look at the overall market technicals, the DFM index is well supported at the levels of 4400, which interestingly lies at its 50 period SMA. Abu Dhabi index is again technically struggling near its technical 200-day moving average. Now, with Dubai stock specifically, the ongoing diversification theme is playing out very well. It has been highlighted in the IMF report as well. So recently we had the earnings from Emirates NBD, we had the earnings from FAB. Now the good thing to note about the Dubai equities is despite the Emirates NBD bank stock dropping by 5% post the earnings, heavyweights like Salek, MR are still supporting the overall Dubai equities. And compare this with Abu Dhabi, where the main companies like IHC and even TAQA are struggling to hold on to gains. So overall, we see the earnings season. So in November, we are going to have big heavyweights that are going to declare. That's going to dictate the overall trend for the overall indices.
When we look at the liquidity and the values being traded today in both markets, what about their movements? Where do they stand? And what about the values in the Emirati markets?
Overall, if you look at the liquidity profile, I would say that Abu Dhabi has been fairly thin as far as the volumes are concerned, because typically what we have seen is the 2 to 3 major stocks. Again, we put the attention back to IHC, we're talking about TAQA. So unless and until there are not big major volume movers in these stocks, the rest of the stocks don't tend to move much. Compare that with Dubai, stocks like Deva, Salek, Empower, and even the MR property stocks that have been gaining a lot of volume traction. So we are seeing two different profiles as of this point of time.
Bhavik Mehta, Deputy Head Research at Investment Products, Century Financial. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.